Welcome to Being Chemist. I am Bikash, and today I am going to discuss about the organic solution of GATE 2021 chemistry. Okay, so let's discuss the first questions. Here you can see in the initial state base is given. What it will do here? See, base is given, it means we first have to think about the acid base reaction. So just find out the acidic H. You can see here between two sulfur atom, here is the carbon and it has one hydrogen, and this hydrogen is acidic. Why? Because when you abstract the hydrogen, the negative charge is stabilized by two sulfur atom. Okay, that's how you can approach some questions organic, special organic, you can approach like that. Okay, so after the abstraction, the negative charge is formed here, and here is the electrophile. So there is two possibility. Either it can do 1,4 addition or it can do 1,2 addition. So what next? Just think about that. See, when 1,4 is preferred, it is preferred generally when the nucleophile is soft, right? You can see here the negative charge is stabilized by two sulfur atom through their vacant orbitals, so the nucleophile is soft, so it will do 1,4 addition rather 1,2 addition. Okay, so after 1,4 addition it will form like this, then heat is given. See, initially when you see the substrate, most of the students can't think about that what it will do now. So just remind yourself, just remind whatever you have read during your study. Okay, so this C S double bond O, we can write it like this also. What is this? This is sulfoxide. So when heat is given, we already know what it will do. It will do scene elimination. We know now, right? Like selenoxide, sulfoxide elimination, like this. So after elimination, it will form a substrate like this. When HgCl2 is given, what it will do? We know HgCl2 is used for the deprotection of thioether. Okay, so what HgCl2 is do exactly, if we summarize the mechanism, it will just insert double bond O where the thio group is attached. So I am writing like this, where the sulfur is attached, I am attaching two hydroxy group. Since two hydroxy group are not stable at one carbon, it will form a carbonyl, and we get a alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound like this, and this is the final product. Okay, so let's discuss the second question. See, when you see the substrate like this, what is this? NaCl pyridine is given, right? Light is given. So this is Barton reaction. Initially, see, pyridine will act as base here, so it will abstract the acidic proton which is attached to the oxygen. After that, NaCl is given, O negative will attack and form ONO. Then see, HNO is given. Okay, light is given. Since two heteroatom are attached to each other, so there will be repulsion between them, and there will be a what? Homolysis, homolytic cleavage. Okay, O radical will form. Then O radical, what it will do? It will abstract the hydrogen in such a way that it can form a 6-member ring, right? See, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it will abstract the proton from here. You can ask me, why not here? This will also form a 6-member ring, but see, this is above side, this is in below side, it can't approach here. So it will be easier for this one to abstract the hydrogen radical from here rather than here. So after that, what will happen? After that, this will form. After this, H3 plus is given, so it will form first oxygen since hydrogen is present here. After that, iminium ion will form, and when we hydrolyze it, it will form a carbonyl compound, and here is the final product. Okay, the next question is from pericyclic. You can see here this is a dialysis reaction. So the main important thing is that which side will attack to which side. Okay, so it will depend upon the charge separation, or you can say where the positive charge is going to create, where the negative charge is going to create. Okay, since you can see here OSMe3 will applying its plus M effect, so there will be a partial negative charge in here, so it will like to attach with the carbon having positive character. Okay, since cyanidic group attack here it will apply the minus M effect, and here will be the partial positive charge. When we apply the heat, we will get the product like this. After that, what will happen? Since H plus was given, OMe will attract the H plus and form this, then OSMe3 lone pair will go like this and eliminate the MeOH. After that, this will form, and when we add H2O, it will protect the SiMe3 group from here, and we will get the final product like this. See, the organic part was very easy this time, so if someone is read thoroughly, then he can solve every questions. Okay, so the next question is from Eisenhower fragmentation. सो देखो यहाँ पे क्या होता है ना, एक 3 मेंबर रिंग रहता है, राइट, एंड हमको उसको ओपन करना है क्योंकि वो स्ट्रेन है, राइट. सो हमारा मोटिव यही होना चाहिए, हम उस हिसाब से रिएक्शन को प्रोसीड करें ताकि हमारा 3 मेंबर रिंग ओपन हो जाए. सो द बेस वॉज गिवन, आई डोंट नो व्हाट वाज द बेस, आई कैंट रिमेंबर एग्जैक्टली. सो व्हाट एवर, बेस क्या करेगा, हाइड्रोजन को एब्सेंट करेगा, ये एसिडिक है, फिर ये नेगेटिव चार्ज बनेगा, नेगेटिव इधर आएगा, ये इधर आएगा, और ये वो नेगेटिव होके ऐसे खुलेगा. फिर देखो यहाँ पे N2 निकल सकता है, और गैस से एंट्रोपी बढ़ाएगा तो हम इसको निकालना चाहिए. फिर TS भी निकल सकता है, अच्छा लिविंग ग्रुप है. तो क्या होगा, नेगेटिव चार्ज इधर आएगा, ये इधर जाएगा और ये एलिमिनेट कर देगा. यहाँ पे हमारा जो क्वेश्चन था वो ये था कि जो प्रोडक्ट बनेगा उसका आयुपैक नेम क्या होगा, राइट. सो एक ट्विस्ट था, अगर किसी ने आयुपैक अच्छे से नहीं पढ़ा है, बेसिक्स क्लियर नहीं है, तो वो नहीं की भी कर पाएगा आफ्टर प्रोडक्ट फॉर्मेशन ऑल्सो, राइट. सो हमको आयुपैक करना है, कैसे करना है, जो हाईएस्ट प्रायोरिटी ग्रुप है उसको कम नंबर मिलना चाहिए, राइट. सो कार्बोनिल पे 2 आएगा, राइट, 2 पोजीशन पे कार्बोनिल आएगा, एंड 6 पोजीशन पे YN ग्रुप आएगा, एंड ये होगा उसका फाइनल आंसर. देन एक क्वेश्चन था सिग्नल को लेकर, एक सबस्ट्रेट दिया था. सो व्हेन एवर यू आर गिवन विथ ए substrates to check the signals, first of all you have to think about that, is there any plane of symmetry, center of symmetry, axis of symmetry is there or not. So see here there is a plane of symmetry. So whatever hydrogen present here and here will give the same signal like this. It will give another signal, and here another signal. No other symmetry element is present here, so there will be 3 signal. And there is a question from Evans auxiliary, जो कि बहुत ही आसान था, जो बस देखा होगा बुक्स में पहली बार भी तब भी कर दिया होगा. LDA गिवन था, क्या करता है, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट करेगा एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन, फिर ये क्या करेगा, इलेक्ट्रोफाइल है, इधर अटैक करेगा, न्यूक्लियोफाइल इलेक्ट्रोफाइल का अटैक करेगा, ब्रोमीन लीव करेगा. ये क्या करता है, एक्चुअली इवांस ऑक्सिलरी हम किस लिए यूज कर सकते हैं, एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट बनाने के लिए, राइट. यहाँ पे देखो ये अबव द प्लेन है, तो ये डायरेक्ट करेगा जो भी आएगा इलेक्ट्रोफाइल वो बिलो द प्लेन से आएगा, बिलो द प्लेन आएगा, LiOH पर दिया है, क्या करेगा, इस ग्रुप को निकालेगा, फिर एसिड बनेगा, उसको फिर रिड्यूस करके अल्कोहल में चेंज करेगा. ये होगा हमारा फाइनल प्रोडक्ट.